My name is Craig Carter. I'm the owner of the old Nocona Boot Factory building. I purchased it in 2017 and started rehabbing the building. It's a amazing building that was once the lifeline of this community. In 2018, we started selling Nocona boots out of the front of this building, and it was a very interesting. We didn't buy the building planning on buying and selling boots. Didn't know a lot about the Nocona history, but as we started working on the building, we kept finding out how many people at one time worked in this building. At one time, this building employed over 500 people.
I'm Rob Story. I'm the Executive Vice President for Nokona Ball Gloves, and that's Nocona with a K, N-O-K-O-N-A. Like I said, I've been here for 38 years. I've been in the town for 58. My great-grandfather started the company back in 1926 as a purse and wallet manufacturer. And shortly after he got that started, in 1934, we made our first glove. After 80 plus years, we finally have a new factory within an old factory. So really kind of put us back in a good position to be kind of refreshed and have our second win, so to speak. Craig Carter, when he bought the old Nocona Boot Company building, it was just a shell about 2 years ago. At the same time, we were still looking for a place that we could finally settle down and call home. And so we started talks with Craig and his wife, Leah, and were able to make a deal and start building out our facility this past year, and have moved in and got started about the same time that the brewery started. So it's really a good synergy on either end of the building, and I think it's good for the building and for Carter's, Craig and Leah, but it's even better for Nocona because the people of Nocona have always looked at this as the ultimate building in Nocona. So many thousands of people worked here.
Welcome folks to Nocona and to Nocona Beer Brewery. My name is Ken Kohlmeyer, and I'm the owner and creator of this factory. And I've been involved in every stage of the creation of this. It'll be 2 years this coming December. We've been brewing beer less than a year. We started last December, but things are up and running and we're all excited about it, and I'm glad you're here to help tell this story.
My name is Dave Young. I'm the head brewer here at Nocona Beer Brewery. We do a lot of experimentation to try new things. For canning, we'll bring in several thousand cans. We'll typically can anywhere from 100 to 150 cases of beer at a setting. And if I have enough hands, it'll be a little bit easier, but basically we have a 4-nozzle canning machine. We're feeding 24 cans into it at a time, and it'll fill at a rate of up to 1,000 cans an hour.
When we sell boots, we're not selling a boot. We're connecting with the person and telling them about the story of Nocona. We're telling that story and keeping that legacy alive, one boot at a time. And now we're telling the next story, which is this Nocona beer is made in the factory. This Nocona Ball Glove is made in our factory, and keeping the legacy alive of things made in Nocona.
We're making a song, and I'm not a musician, but pretty soon it's going to be boots, beer, and baseball gloves, and that's the story of Nocona.